There's one additional piece of information you're going to need to know on your quiz. So when we work with money, we need to be able to round. So we're going to use our strategy of what dot the heck, dollars, dimes, and pennies. So this answer would either be $78.45 or $78.46. And this number right here, we're going to call the bossy number. It tells the number next to it inside the box what to do. So if this bossy number is 4 or less, it gives 5 a rest. If it's 5 or more, it raises a score. So you can see it's 4 or less. Also, I just want to let you know that the number back behind it, we don't even need. We only look at the bossy number next to where we rounded. So this answer should be $78.45. That 5 stays. Let's go on to the next example. We have what dot the heck. So this is either going to be $6.49 or $6.50. This bossy number is 5 or more, so it tells this 9 to raise the score. So our answer should be $6.50. And then finally in this example, again, what dot the heck, dollars, dimes, pennies. So this is going to be either $15.29 or $15.30. The bossy number 3 is 4 or less, so it tells this 9 to stay. So our answer would be $15.29. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.